Hello everyone. In this unit, I'll be talking about user account controls. So just to let you know what user account control is, it is a feature that's provided by Windows that allows you to make modifications to your existing user account or to create new user account if you want. So all you need to do is go to control panel and then click on user account and family safety. Once you click on user account and family safety, there are a whole lot of options down here. So all you need to do is go and click on user account. Now there are a lot of options that you can use to make modifications to the current user account. The name of the current user account and the type of the user account is displayed down over here. The current one is ABC and it's an administrator account. So if you want to change the name of this account, all you need to do is go to change account name and then type in the new name of the account that you wish to change it to. So here I'll just be putting XYZ and then click on change name. So once I click on change name, what happens is the account name is changed to XYZ, but the other credentials remain the same. So if I want to change it from administrator to standard one, what I need to do is go to change your account type, and once you're in there, you'll be given option to change to toggle between administrator and standard one. But over here, as you can see, the standard option is grayed out, and the only reason behind that is you have only one account right now, and that needs to be an administrator account. So if you want to change XYZ from an administrator account to a standard account, what you need to do is create a new account first. So for that, you could just go back and click on manage changes to my account in PC settings. When you click on it, this window just opens up, and then you have option here at the bottom which says add a user. So when you click on add a user, this window opens up and it asks you for your email address. So you do not need to put in your correct email address, or you could put it in if you want to, but just to let you know, it doesn't use this email address for verification or any such things. So even if you put in a fake email ID, that should do. So all I'll do over here is asdf@asdf.com, and when I click on next, it starts creating the user account for me. So here it says that the user account asdf@asdf.com has been created. So all I need to do is click on finish, and when I click on finish, you can see the user account already created over here. So now to make any modifications to asdf@asdf.com or to XYZ, we need to move back to the control panel. So I'll just take you back to control panel. So now we have an account called XYZ as well as another account asdf@asdf.com. You can't see that account down here anywhere because it just shows information about the current user account you are in. So if you want to manage the other account, that is asdf@asdf.com, what you need to do is just go to manage another account, and then you can see over here, as you can see over here, the account's already been created. So you need to click on it, and once you click on it, there are the similar type of options down here as well. So if I want to change the account type for XYZ from administrator to standard, what I need to do is first make asdf@asdf.com from standard to administrator. So I just go in, click on administrator, and then change account type. So as you can see over here, the account has been changed to administrator type. So now what I need to do is just go back, and now you can see over here that both these accounts are administrator. So now to change the account type of XYZ from administrator to standard one, all I need to do is just click on XYZ, and it will give me option down here to change my account type. So I just go in down there and change it to standard, and then click on change account type. So as you can see, the administrator that had been written down over here has just disappeared, which means that the account has been changed from administrator to a standard one. So that is how you can manage between the standard accounts and the administrator accounts. Now the next thing I'll be teaching you about to is to change the levels of security that you want for your user account, and that can be done in change user account control settings. So once you click on it, there are whole different levels of security that you can select for your user account. The lowest one is never notify me, and this is the least recommended one, because when you select this option, it leaves your system vulnerable to almost all the threats that come through the internet as well as other places. So it's never recommendable to select this option, but you do have it. So never notify me, and these are some of the criterias that are mentioned down there. Then the next level is notify me only when the apps try to make change to my computer, and it again has got a few criterias down here. So the third level is notify me only when the apps try to make change to my computer, and this is the one that's always selected by default. So and there are a few criterias down here as well. And the highest level of security is always notify me. So if you have selected this option and you try to install any apps into your system, it's always going to notify you saying that an app is trying to make change to your system, so would you allow it. And if you have given a password to your user account, then it will always ask you for the password. And if you're not an administrator, you're not using the system as an administrator, it will ask you to provide an administrator username and password. So it's always recommended that you use either the first two level of security, that is always notify me, or notify me only when the apps try to make changes to my computer. So when you just click on any one of this and click on OK, this dialog box just pops up saying do you want to allow the following program to make changes to your computer, and you say yes. So just in case you are not the administrator, or if you are the administrator and have provided a password for your system, when you click on yes, it will ask you to enter your username as well as your password. So there's no password down here right now, so it won't ask me for any password, and just go through. So that's how you change your security levels. And just to let you know, to add your password, all you need to do is make change to my account and PC settings, and then click on create a password. So once you create a password, you could just put in a new password, re-enter the password and enter your password hint, and then just click on next. So when you click on next, what happens is it will create a password for your system. So I won't be creating a password right now, but all you need to do is just enter new password, re-enter it, and then enter password hint, and then it will just go through, and that's the new password for your user account. So that's all that I want to tell you about user accounts. So just in case of any query, please let me know. Thank you.